So today I'm going to continue building the Lego Friends clubhouse set. So now it's the second floor, and this one is like some drawing equipments for Lian, and she is drawing Bubbles. So Bubbles is Lian's axolotl pet, and sadly Bubbles is not included in this set, but Bubbles is included in Lian's room set and the axolotl adventure boat set. I have colds right now, so I think my voice sounds a little bit weird. But it's much better than yesterday, because yesterday my throat, it hurt so much. But today it doesn't really hurt. So this one is like the terrace in the second floor, and this one is also like a small balcony. So we have a big terrace and also a small balcony, and there's a carpet over here, very colorful with lots of colors. The second floor also kind of looks like an office, because there's like these screens, and I think they're gonna like solve emergencies or stuff like that. So I'm very excited to watch the animation this year. So as you can see, the round part with the 5 chairs, that part is going to be outdoors, and then except for that, the rest is gonna be indoors. The terrace, the big terrace where they eat, it looks very pretty. Look at all these flowers, it looks so pretty. So the bottom part is like darker pink, and the top is lighter pink, and there's also a honeybee over here. So the table is quite big, but the things that they are eating is actually rather simple. Like, it's not much of a meal, it's more like a dessert. I mean, they're eating like donut, waffle, like cookies, and like candy stuff. So they're not really meals. So there's a table indoors, and there's like a keyboard, a colorful keyboard, and also a mouse. The mouse kind of looks like an eraser, like it's so small. There's also a chair inside, and we have a door over here, transparent blue door. I love transparent blue doors. We have about 3 of them in this set. So this one is the emergency screen, where they can see all the emergencies happening. So the photo on the right, it looks like a baker, and he tripped over maybe, and his cake is like flying in the air, and that's really sad. And the left one is like a cat stuck on a tree, and the person underneath is like calling for help. But I think like those sort of stuff is what like firefighters do, isn't it? Like saving cats from trees. But anyway, the Alien book is also stuck on the stand. You know, the Alien book that was included in the movie night set. It's very cute. And on the right side, we have a computer, and there's like a small calendar next to it, and it says like 2026 January, and which is right now, isn't it? But then come to think about it, Lian's clothes, it was like really summer clothes, wasn't it? And like it's really cold right now, isn't it? So I think she's gonna like freeze in 5 seconds if she walks out wearing those sort of clothes. Well, maybe it's Australia. Like, you know, Australia is summer right now, isn't it? But I don't think this place is Australia. So anyway, we have a big logo in the second floor, Friends Club. So cute. The heart and the star, they're kind of like a little bit half put together, and they're sharing one eye. Like they each have like just one eye, and the other one eye, they're like sharing it. Okay, so we finished the second floor. So the second floor and the first floor, it's almost the same size, and the third floor is a bit smaller. And so the third floor, it's a bedroom, and you know I love bedrooms, and I'm very excited about it. So there's a coin on the floor, and that's a very cute detail. I think, you know, Lego likes putting like small items on the floor. There are lots of like bubble gums stuck on the floor of the cafeteria of the Lego Friends International School, you know, remember that? And I told you that there's also a bed for the pets in this set, but actually I was mistaken. It was just like bed for the dolls, but I thought there was also a bed for the pets, but actually there isn't. So there's a long sofa over there, and this is our first bed, and we have like some figures on it. So I think that bed belongs to Nova. So you know how much I love like Lego beds, you know, it's very nice and I'm so excited right now. So this one is like hot pink color, and we have a notebook, and the bed sheet is like horses drawn on it. So I think it belongs to Alia or Autumn. So I'm not so sure what those like white and orange things, you know, I don't really know what they are. But this one is like a very bright, colorful bed sheet. It looks very nice. It's very colorful. There's actually a cute detail hidden in this set when it's finished, and then if you look at it at the top, it looks like a heart. It's a heart shape. It's very cute. So I'll show you when it's finished. So it's like a 2-floored bed, which is very nice. And we have a very interesting piece in this set. It's like really small, thin ladders in this set. It's cute, isn't it? I think it's really cute. Yeah, right. So this one, I don't really know what this is, but I kind of think that this is supposed to be a ladder. Like, I mean, this is right in front of the door. So I kind of think that this is supposed to be a ladder. Maybe it doesn't really look like a ladder, I know, but maybe it is. Yeah, maybe. So it's kind of like that. And this one, what is this? Oh yeah, so it's just like walls, I think. Yeah, but I kind of made it wrong, so I think I should change it a little bit. Wait a sec, you know, kind of like this. There you go. I'm very happy because this set has a lot of beds, and you know, I just love beds, you know. There's also like a drone in this set. There's a lot of interesting things. And that carpet is so cute. The carpet looks so nice. And we have gaming consoles over here. So you can like, this is a bedroom, but you can also like play video games. It's like kind of like a paradise to Nova. And so we have 2 headsets, and there we have the last blue transparent door. But I really don't understand why there's a door over here, because I mean, it's not a balcony. Like if you walk out, you're just gonna like fall. So I don't understand why there is a door over there. But like I told you, the one that doesn't really look like a ladder, but I think it's supposed to be a ladder thing, that is going to be right next to the door. So that's why I think it's supposed to be a ladder. So anyway, we have another bed over here, and there's also a small hat on top of it, which is very cute. And so that one was blue color. And this one is going to be the last bed, and it's green color, and it has like really pretty flower patterns. So I think the last one, the green one, I think that one belongs to Autumn, and the one with the horse, I think that belongs to Alia. Yeah, right. So here we also have another cute ladder over here. So cute, they're so thin. I think it's kind of like way too small for the mini dolls. Like, I mean, I think it's kind of like for the pets. But anyway, I guess the Lego Friends dolls can also use that. So this is the video game, and I think it's like gardening video game maybe. This is so a rabbit over there, and the rabbit really has a lovely house and a lovely garden. You know, it really looks like a heart right now, isn't it? And it is going to look like a heart. So we have solar panels over here. It's so long. It's a very long solar panel, and ta-da, it's almost finished. But for the finishing touch, we have a small drone, and the drone is way too small for the mini dolls. And Popcorn, Lian's gecko, was using the drone on the box, so I think it's for Popcorn. And there's also a zip line over here, which is really awesome, you know. It is so nice. Now we place it on the top, and guess what? This set is finished, and you know, it looks like a heart. Did you see it? I think it was a really nice idea to make it into a heart, because you know, this place is Heartlake City. It's very nice that they made this shape into a heart. Oh my goodness, my voice sounds terrible. I was kind of thinking a little bit, maybe I should record my voice later, but then I also wanted to show you guys this set as fast as I can as well. So I just decided to record it. So now I'm playing and Alia arrived at the clubhouse. Hello, Autumn. Hi, Alia. I'm feeding the pets. Oh, they're so cute. It's very interesting that they all eat different foods. Yeah, because they're all different animals. Yeah, that's right. Good morning, Leo. Good morning, Alia. Can I take some snacks? Of course you can. Thank you. I'm going to eat some pretzels. I think I want to eat some pretzels, but it's kind of like hard to take them out. Wait a sec, please. Wait, pretzel, come out. Pretzel looks delicious. I wonder, I think it's like the biscuit pretzel. You know, there's also like the biscuit pretzel, which tastes kind of salty, and there's also like the bread pretzel. If you ask me, I like the bread more. Hello, Alia. Hi, Elian. What are you doing? I'm painting bubbles. Is there any emergencies? Yeah, there was a baker who got tripped over and he sent his cake flying in the air, and there was also a cat stuck on the tree, and then we sent Ollie, Paisley, and Zach to check it out. Okay, that sounds nice. Good morning, Nova. You're blocking the screen. Oh, sorry. Good morning to you too. So Nova, I was thinking like, why do we have a door over here? And why are you asking me that? Because I was wondering like, why is there a door over here? And then come to think about it, you're right next to me, so that's why I asked you. Okay, I don't know. And you're blocking the screen again. Oh, sorry. I came up here because I felt kind of sleepy. I'm gonna take a nap. Okay. Oh, guess what? I see, Alia. I think I discovered why there is a door over there. Why is the door over there? That's because that's where you can ride the zip line. Ah, now I understand. So, meanwhile, Leanne, she decided to come out and like breathe some fresh air. And so Leanne is breathing some fresh air, and I'm sure that she's gonna be freezing. I mean, it's January and she's wearing summer clothes. Anyway, Autumn decides to try to practice Popcorn's drone flying skills. Okay, so Popcorn, you are the smallest, so you're the only one who can ride the drone. So try to use the drone and try to be still. Don't be so wobbly. Oh, there's Leanne. Oh, hi, Popcorn. Oh, you're very close to my face. Okay, so now you're supposed to land, Popcorn. Oh, very good. It was a little bit wobbly, so let's practice a little bit more. Let's try to be very still, not wobbly this time. Hello, Leo. Hi, Leanne. I'm very thirsty right now. Can you give me some hot water? Here you go. Thanks, Leo. Oh, it's really cold outside. Oh, it's really shivery. Yeah, right. It's January. It's supposed to be cold. Oh, there's a lot of berries in the refrigerator. Yeah, I love berries. Good morning, you guys. Hello. How's the drone training going? Not so good, but not so bad either. Oh, hi, Paisley. What's the matter? Oh, the cat's still stuck on the tree. Don't worry, we'll go right away and rescue that cat. Everyone to the first floor. It's an emergency. We have to go right away and rescue that cat. Who's the cat that's stuck on the tree? I don't know yet. It's a cat, but I'm not so sure whose cat it is. We're all here. Okay, very good. So now I'm gonna use the drone and find the cat's location. I think he's not so far away. I think it's nearby. Yeah, I think so too. So let me see. Let's see where that cat is. Oh, hello, Paisley. What brings you here? Because the missing cat, the cat that's stuck on the trees over here in our clubhouse? Outside the clubhouse, to be exact. Oh, Pluto is the cat who got stuck on the tree. Oh, wait. It's too far away. I can't reach. How did he climb that tree anyway? It's quite high. That's not what it matters. What matters is we have to pull him down. And how are we gonna do that? I don't know. This is actually quite difficult. Where's the cat? It's up there. Oh, guys, maybe we should just call the fire department. It's okay. We can manage, Pitch. Do not worry. If my arms were a little bit longer, I could have grabbed him. Maybe we should use the drone. You're way too heavy for that, Autumn. Oh, well, then how about we put something soft on the ground and then shake the tree? That could work, I think. Yeah, maybe. Because we don't have any ladders. We don't have many options. So there you go. How about we use our logo? That could work. So now let's shake the tree and then I think Pluto is going to fall. Yeah, I think, wait. There you go. Pluto fell and he is safe and sound, thankfully. Oh, that's very good news. Thanks, everyone. Bye bye, Pitch. Bye, Pluto. Don't climb any trees now. So we solved all the emergencies for today, right? Yeah, that's very good news. Now let's eat dinner and then have some fun. Yeah, okay, so Leo is the cook and he's gonna prepare dinner with a lot of berries. So the mini dolls are gonna eat out in the terrace and Alia is also like feeding the pets. So the pets are eating their pet food. But there's something else that's kind of weird. Like in the terrace, we have like lots of flowers and the flowers, it seems like very like warm and it really feels like spring or summer or something like that. And it's January. I mean, it says that it's January in the Lego Friends calendar. So maybe this place really is Australia. So anyway, Autumn and Alia, they're riding the bicycle and they're having fun. And Honey is also with them. I think the bicycle for two people is really nice. And Leanne is putting some finishing touches on her drawing. And Leo is riding the zip line and he's also having a lot of fun. And so Nova is preparing some popcorns because they're gonna play video games and have fun. You know, they're all playing video games and eating popcorns and they're having a very nice time. So I'm sorry about the weird voice for today, but I think I'm gonna feel better in my next video. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and this set is a very nice set and it has a lot of fun things to do and I love all the dolls' clothes. So see you next time. Bye bye.